Hello everyone. So this is our K-12 kit and today we are going to work on project security alarm system. Now let's see how it's done. First, I will connect the power to the positive of the LDR, then negative of the LDR to the ground, then its positive to the buzzer to its positive terminal, and then negative to the ground. Before making this connection, let me turn this kit to my side. Now I will show this beam on the LDR before making the connection. Like this. Now the buzzer will start ringing as soon as the beam breaks. Let's see.